Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. So here, as we check out the S&P index here, what's going on and what's been lately happening is you can see we were heading up in this kind of trend line to, you could say, hey, a V-shaped recovery, right? Well, the fact is we've got into those highs and we slowly started pulling back, and now the market's actually been acting weak. Now, the last couple of days we have been moving to the upside. But you can see we're really looking at this 3,200 as a key critical support level. So this is a very big support region that you're really looking at. So watch this price level. You'll probably get a little bit of trouble here as well overhead here with this resistance. But these are a few of those levels. And keep in mind, we do have earnings coming up right now as we head into this October. So that is also one thing to be very, very cautious about. And normally, if you're dealing with, let's say, 10 contracts, maybe leave one. If you're dealing with shares of stock and you're doing swing trading and you might do 100 shares, you might leave only 10 and sell 90, you know, as an idea. Manage the risk. Earnings are a guessing game. You never know what's going to happen. All right, next thing, DKNG. All right, and I'll go on the daily on this one. When you look at this, you can see we've had a nice breakout here. Here was your resistance, so now this is your support. You also see this kind of previously. Here is support, and notice kind of this other area here, breakout. Here's your kind of resistance. So all this looks good and continues to kind of make way. So stock's been very friendly. If you look at the bullish volume, stock has been very bullish and moving very well in its pattern and in its strength. And because if you look at just the way that it's been moving and behaving, you've got a little bit of this digestion pattern, but now after that, it's been moving well. So after the cup or bowl shape pattern, it continues to move well. So anyways, stock's doing well, volume kicked in. Just look at all this volume that really just kicked in after that bowl shape. And now we just continue to rock it to the upside. And it was doing that earlier as well. So this one I'm fairly bullish on. And with pullbacks and things like that, as long as it has healthy movements, pullbacks, that's a good thing for this stock. You know, people are big into this kind of thing. Not me personally, but, you know, a lot of people are into these, this DraftKings sports-related online type of stuff. All right, one that I do not do that often, but it did catch my eye, similar to the Foot Locker one. Here you could see it's trying to break out. Here is our support. And as you look at this one, you know, we're kind of moving upward pattern or trend. Also, what you're seeing is some bullish volume right here coming in. So that's also a good healthy sign. And so all that looks good. It's attempting to kind of make that next wave. I would say watch for some resistance over here. This will be a little bit of resistance. And not to mention, this stock is just a slow mover, because if you take a look from 1250 to kind of 22, and now you got 32 that it may get into, it's just a little bit of slow mover. So be prepared to deal with a little bit of that. You also have this zone is a little bit of a sideways consolidation pattern. Here you have your triangle pattern where it's kind of moving to this upward trend. So we'll see if it breaks out of there a little bit faster, and then you can kind of get into maybe this region of about 31, 32 there. But from where we're at, you know, it's not a huge fast move or anything like that. Let's look at NVDA, also another one that's been doing quite well, just a technology company. So here is kind of support. It's been, as you can see, ramping up very well, and now we're kind of in this sideways little bit of a pattern, and that's okay to me. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of a breather or a break. And as you check this out, boom, there we go. You do have a little bit bearish volume, so a slight bit of concern. But overall, this stock has been doing well and fantastic. So just, you know, be careful, be patient, allow things to take shape, wait for a proper breakout or breakdown before getting in if you're new. Otherwise, it's been fairly bullish, and I've been kind of on the bullish side for now. Again, neutral because we're sideways, but if we get that breakout right here, I'd be much more bullish. So breakout here with volume could be bullish. So wait for something along those lines. All right, next one, we've got just a couple more. ROKU. This one I've been bullish on, still continue to be bullish on. I will do a weekly on this. It's just a little bit easier to do the weekly. Here has been our trend. So here is resistance. Let's redo that. Resistance, here is resistance. So stock broke out right there, continues to ramp up. We've been kind of moving along this trend line. So upward trend continues to be strong. So that's good. Here is the, when you look at it, bullish volume, that's right there. And overall, stock's been doing well. So you can see you've had some slight little pullbacks here and there. You've had some movements. Here's another breakout there. So we're kind of continuing on that same path. We might just, you know, get a little pullback here soon, and then again, continue to ramp up. Otherwise, stock has been performing quite well and nicely and strong. So looks good for higher prices. I would put more of my stop or get out point kind of right here. So stop around 175 or so. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.